हे एवरीवन। सबसे पहले तो आप सभी को सरस्वती पूजा की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं एंड I hope that on this auspicious day of Saraswati Puja you must be studying very well, and if not then you must start right now. What time it is? I guess it's 3:15. So if not then you should start studying right now because we still have much time left. I mean yeah, so I'm here with the update of last week. Okay, I know I was not uploading but okay, I was a little bit of I was feeling like let's just leave all these things. I don't know, I was just a little distracted from my studies. I mean, it's not like that it's not like that I left my studies like बिल्कुल ही छोड़ दिया, ऐसा नहीं था. I was studying but not so productively you can say that. Okay, I'll update you that I've completed the Living World chapter. I know that's not a very high weightage chapter from our NEET syllabus, but still I've completed that chapter with that NCERT DPPs and all. And motion in a plane, there's still 4 lecture left, and in thermodynamics 7 lecture. Biological classification and respiration still not done. Okay, I'll tell you why not. Because last week I was more focused on those things like NTA gave us so many notices and all, and I was stuck with that these things. Like I updated my Aadhaar with that photo change, mobile number change and all, and next I made my APAR ID, and I also have to fill that KSET form, so I did that also. Yeah, I'm preferring to go to Karnataka. So if you don't know about KSET, it's a counseling form for non-Karnataka student for private colleges. Okay, if you want to get into government colleges of Karnataka, you don't have to fill that form, so don't worry. Then yeah, this is the update that and also I don't know, this is because of screen time or because of my stress. I was getting more I was getting headache. I think 2 days, my 2 days this last week got wasted because of my headache, and today also I'm having a little bit of headache, but bearable. Okay, I can bear that pain. So what I'm thinking for now, earlier we have I have planned to complete those 5 chapters per week, but this time I think time is very less, so I have planned to complete 6 chapters. Yes, I know. Even I was not able to complete those 5 chapters also, but as 3 months is left, I have to rush things over because I have to. Nobody is going to do that, and I have to means I have to, and yeah, I have to do this. And so for next week I'm going with that motion in a plane chapters. 4 lecture is left, so I don't think that's gonna take lot time. Thermodynamics is also half done, like 7 lectures is left. Biological classification, breathing and exchange of gases, body fluids and circulation, and chemical equilibrium. And I'm also going to attempt test on Sunday, so stay tuned because I'll update my marks also. Yeah, and what else? I think nothing else. So guys, that's it for my last week's update, and yeah, I'll see you next week with my update video. Bye.